Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can download and install iTunes for your window 10 11. Process is the same. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay guys, come to the any browser and open the Google and search for iTunes downloads. Here you need to go in the official Apple store. Here go to the Apple. You can get the iTunes from window. If you have that window store, you can download from there also, or if you want to select proper systems and all, you can go here in Windows system required. So you need to read that all what kind of systems and configuration need for this iTunes softwares. Now we are looking for Windows, so just click on that Windows. So here if we have 64 bytes, you can just click on it, or if you want to download it for 32 bytes window, you can download from here. Okay, so I'm going for to 64 bytes only. So the file will start downloading. Here you can see, let it download. Okay, it says download. Just need to go in, open the folder. Here you can see your file, setup file. Just double click on it, so it will be start install. The installation will be start like this. So here you need to have two options: add iTunes shortcut to your desktop. If you want desktop shortcut, you can just click on it, or use iTunes as a default player for audio file. So you can make iTunes as a default player by clicking these options. Here the default language you can change from that list. Here the default, the destination for folder means the installation folder, which is by default is programs. Okay, so you can change from here if you want to change, and just install it. Now go to the yes. Okay, so it will be start installing like this. Okay, so the iTunes setup has been installed, and here you can see open iTunes after the install exit. So if you want to open it quickly, then you can click mark on it, or just untake it and finish it. I just open it. So your program will be start, and you can see that agreement. You need to just agree that all iTunes rules and regulation whatever have here, you need to agree that. And here you need to sign into iTunes store with your password, using Apple account and password, and just sign in. After signing, you need to go in store, and you will have that all the music library here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.